Alright folks, this is Jeff from Wickedoil.com. This is my Fender 68 custom Princeton Reverb. Well, I bought this in, I think, 2018. Anyway, there's a video on YouTube about it. I've pretty much loved this amp from day one. I always thought it was kind of bassy, but you know, whatever. Just the bass low and the treble pretty damn high, and it has a pretty damn good sound. I swapped out the Celestion 1030 for a Celestion Gold, which was a wonderful upgrade. I put JJ tubes in it immediately. In fact, the factory tubes have maybe 5-10 minutes of playing on it. So those are good backup. Should have a problem. Anyway, I recently installed Mercury Magnets Transformers. I even added a choke, and that made a bitchin' improvement. Bitchin'. Very nice. Took away a lot of the bass sound. Really give it more of a pristine sound and stuff like that. Anyway, in my ever-growing desire to perfect my two favorite amplifiers, which is this one and my my Vox AC15C1, I purchased a Fromel kit for it. Anyway, and they promise that I will touch myself every time I play my guitar through this thing. So, well, they didn't exactly say that, but that's the implication. That it's going to be so wonderful that I'm going to be like a Cheshire cat and just can't quit smiling. So anyway, I got it on the bench. I'm fixing to disassemble it, so I can. Already labeled I soldered all the wires on when I did the transformer, so I have to desolder those. But anyway, I'm going to do it to it. I've got plenty of before videos of what this amp sounds like, so I'm not going to get a direct, here, A-B. No, here it is on Saturday. Here's what it sounds like on Sunday. But, hey, you're just going to have to trust me. I'll tell you if it sounds better. Anyway, I guess I will get back to you when it's, all better. See ya. Did I say what date it is? Yeah. This is November the 6th, 2021. Thank you. Bye.